And the winner is... Hey y'all, it's SCALP and I'm going to show you how I got my natural hair into a bun with this Gorilla Snot. So I'm starting out on an old braid out. The Gorilla Snot, you can get it from Walmart for like $3. It's really cheap. I'm going to be using some water, and this is the hair I'm going to be using for my faux bun. You can use any kind of braiding hair, just make sure the color matches your hair color. So I'm just going to dampen my hair. I don't want it dripping wet, just wet enough to be able to manipulate it easier. And now I'm just going to let my hair soak up this water. And now I'm just brushing my hair out to get it detangled and as stretched as possible. So because my hair is so thick, I'm going to add these clips in it to kind of mold it into the ponytail shape to make it easier on myself. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like super thick and sticky. Just to show you the consistency of it, it's really sticky like a glue. And just go ahead and keep piling it on however much you need to lay your hair down. I'm adding this oil so it doesn't dry super duper hard. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you know the struggle of trying to put your hair in a ponytail, cause girl. And it's gonna be white at first, but it'll dry clear, trust me. So now what you want to do is put your hair in a bun, however you choose to. You can braid it, twist it. I'm just going to pull mine back because I kind of want some of it to show. And now what we're going to do is slap some more gel on. Yes, girls, some more. And that's the thing that I love about this gel. If you don't have hair that fits into a ponytail, no worries, we gonna fix it. So now I'm taking my brush and I'm just going to swoop my edges a little bit. I'm not team dramatic baby hair, so I'm just going to make it look natural. So next you want to take any silky scarf that you have. I like silk ones better than like cotton because it lays better. We're gonna be a purple Power Ranger today. And it doesn't cover the back, so we're gonna be a cheetah girl too. So we're gonna be a purple cheetah girl. So we're gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get the hair ready right out of the package. So ta-da, it's the next morning. I know, right? That fast. And the hair comes on this rubber band right out of the package. And what you wanna do is take another ponytail holder and put it on the hair. That's it. Don't undo it. Make sure all the hair is on its side it's supposed to be on, and then put this on your ponytail. And you're just going to twist all the way down, but don't make it tight. And once you get to the end, you're going to take that same rubber band that came on that end and put it right back on to secure it. And it's going to unravel anyway, which is what you want. And then you just take it and wrap it around. And you kind of fluff it out and mold it to your bun. And next I'm taking another ponytail holder and putting it around this bun to keep it in place. And we are done. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more hair videos. Thanks for watching.